Right, so I have a problem. I have a plant, it's called Dama de Noche in Spanish, and it's not very happy. Here it always seems to be slightly off. We've moved it because it was getting too much sun, we think, so we moved it to a corner where it only gets sun half the day. And it's looking better, but still not great. So I need me a plant doctor.
Howdy.
Doctor, please.
What up?
I have this plant. It's called Dama de Noche. What's it called in English?
In English, well, the name is Cestrum Nocturnum.
Okay. Black.
The other name in Spanish is
night.
Galan de Noche.
Galan de Noche, right. And Cestrum Nocturnum, does it have a normal name in Spanish, or is it all, in English?
I don't know, actually. Not that I know of.
So here is the patient.
What's the problem with this then?
I have no idea. Well, I know it used to be in that corner of the terrace. We figured
When it wasn't doing very well?
it kept on dying, coming back. Not dying, but almost, it just looks sad.
Just like a life, wasn't growing.
So we moved it over here thinking that it had too much light, too much sunlight, and it seems to be doing a little bit better. But as you can see, it's got some yellowing leaves, and some of them are looking very happy, some of them are looking a little bit sadder. So basically, it's not looking like yours. You have one that looks absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't look like this, and this one doesn't smell.
Well, I think what we have here is a case of being thrown off the scent by signs that are not real signs.
Ooh.
Let me explain.
Oh my lord!
You're seeing these leaves that look a little bit bashed. Yeah. A little bit curly like that. You see how they're curly, and some are yellow. This plant does that anyway, even when it's happy.
Right.
Yeah, it's just one of its things about this plant.
Right.
They have a habit, even when it's growing, on these little. They seem to break very easily for some reason. Don't know why, but that doesn't mean that's not the cause.
Right.
Yeah. Doesn't mean it's unhappy. The actual more likely reason is you get low. Come down here. See how thick this is? Yeah. Okay. So you see how nice and thick it is?
Yeah.
The actual size of the plant is not too different to what you'd get from the shop when it's this thin.
Yeah.
You right? See how thick it is? Now look, here's the telltale sign. See these?
Yeah.
These are the roots.
Yeah.
They shouldn't be.
Says that.
Well, it means that the roots, in all likeliness, it just needs to go into a bigger pot. When the roots, you need to have more soil in it.
Right.
When the roots are visible like that, sticking out the top and coming to the surface, like that. See, that just means that it can't absorb enough for what it needs. I think if you put this in a bigger pot and take the soil to above the roots, get a little bit of fertilizer, and I think you'll be happy to see. Maybe to stimulate a little bit of growth, chop a couple of the ends off, here and there and everywhere, and you'll be fine.
Plant doctor in the house. We shall see if he's right or not.